Hey nail techs, Jill Wright from nailtechevent.com. Look what I've got from Famous Names. It is a door prize for the nail tech event of the Smokies. Let's open it. Ooh, the excitement. Can't wait to see what this is. You'd think I got to keep it, but no, unfortunately I don't. This is for the nail techs. One of the winners that we'll be drawing at the nail tech event of the Smokies in Gatlinburg, Tennessee on Sunday, July 9th. Voila! Ooh, look. Oh my gosh. Famous Relief, the ultimate cosmetic pedicure. All right, let's move that out of the way. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Yep, it opens up. Oh, okay. Now there's two of these. So look at this. So sorry, honeys. I'm not used to doing it at this angle. Okay, we're gonna be giving away two of these during the show on Sunday, July 9th at the Gatlinburg, Tennessee Convention Center. You will get wristbands. Wristbands have a little tab. Tab comes off, has little numbers on it, same numbers on your wristband. So when you check in at the registration window, we're gonna put a wristband on you or give you your wristband. We're gonna take the tab, put it in the bucket for the drawing, and then 3 times during the show, we're gonna do drawings, which will be announced over the loudspeaker. So then you stop talking on the show floor and you listen because you wanna match up the numbers we call with the numbers on your wristband. Does that make sense? Okay, good deal. Here we go. Oh, look at all of this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna fix this one. It looks like it got a little wiggle during shipping. There we go. And we'll put that like, I think it was supposed to be like this somehow. Okay, we'll go like that. We'll just say that's right. Look at that. All of these products will be 2 lucky nail techs. Let's see what this is. I don't have my glasses on, but it says Drench. I can see that much. Famous Relief. I need my glasses to read the rest. It's heck getting old, you know. Oh, and I love Daddy Oil. I use that all the time. Look at, so yes, go to nailtechevent.com and then that way you can get your show ticket and possibly win one of these door prizes because we're gonna have many drawings. Sometimes we have as many as 30 drawings at a time in the Smokies. So I hope you can make it. Peace out, nail techs.